Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We all know we should drink more water, right? It's the most basic health advice out there. But what if I told you that this simple, clear liquid is packed with secrets? That beyond just quenching your thirst, water has some incredible, almost magical abilities to supercharge your body in ways you've never imagined. Today, we're diving deep, pun intended, into the 10 hidden ways water transforms your health. Stick around, because you're going to see H2O in a whole new light. Let's start with number 10. Water is your brain's best friend. Feeling a bit of brain fog? Can't seem to focus? Before you reach for another cup of coffee, grab a glass of water. Your brain is about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can shrink your brain tissue, affecting your mood, memory, and decision-making. Staying properly hydrated keeps your neural pathways firing on all cylinders, boosting concentration and cognitive function. Think of it as liquid brain power. A healthy diet for your mind starts with a glass of water. Coming in at number 9, water is a secret weapon for weight management. No, it's not a magic potion for weight loss, but it's pretty close. Drinking a glass of water before a meal can help you feel fuller, so you naturally eat less. Plus, when you're hydrated, your metabolism gets a nice little boost. Sometimes, our brains also mistake thirst for hunger. So next time you feel a snack attack coming on, try drinking some water first. You might be surprised to find that's all your body really needed. Number 8 is a big one. Water is a natural detoxifier. You hear a lot about expensive detox teas and cleanses. But your body has its own incredible detoxification system, and water is the fuel that runs it. Your kidneys are amazing filters, working 24/7 to remove waste products and toxins from your blood. But they can't do their job without water. Adequate hydration helps your kidneys flush out these toxins efficiently, keeping your internal systems clean and running smoothly. It's the simplest and most effective natural remedy for a daily cleanse. Let's move on to number 7. Water powers up your workouts. If you've ever felt sluggish or weak during exercise, dehydration could be the culprit. Water is crucial for lubricating your joints, transporting nutrients to your muscles, and regulating your body temperature through sweat. When you're dehydrated, your blood volume drops, forcing your heart to work harder to pump blood to your muscles. This leads to fatigue and decreased performance. Want to lift heavier, run faster, or just have more stamina? Start hydrating long before you hit the gym. At number 6, discover water's role as a beauty elixir. Forget expensive creams for a moment. True radiance starts from within. When your skin cells are well hydrated, your skin looks plumper, smoother, and more youthful. Dehydration can lead to dry, tight, and flaky skin, and it can even make fine lines and wrinkles more prominent. Drinking enough water helps maintain your skin's elasticity and resilience. It's a foundational part of any healthy skincare routine, working hand in hand with immune-boosting foods to give you that natural glow. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is a benefit that might surprise you. Water can improve your mood. Remember how we said dehydration affects your brain? Well, that directly impacts how you feel. Studies have shown that even slight dehydration can lead to irritability, anxiety, and a generally downbeat mood. Staying hydrated helps maintain the balance of mood-regulating hormones and neurotransmitters like serotonin. So, if you're feeling a bit grumpy for no reason, a tall glass of cool water might be just the mood lifter you need. Coming in at number 4. Water is essential for a healthy heart. Your heart is constantly working, pumping about 2,000 gallons of blood every single day. When you're properly hydrated, your blood flows more easily, which means your heart doesn't have to work as hard. Chronic dehydration can put a strain on your cardiovascular system over time. Making water a priority is a simple yet powerful step in supporting long-term heart health, complementing a healthy diet rich in heart-friendly nutrients. At number 3, we have a critical one. Water is a pillar of your immune system. We often talk about immune-boosting foods, but water is the unsung hero. Water is a key component of lymph, a fluid that is part of your immune system and helps your body fight off illness. It transports white blood cells and other immune cells throughout your body. Being dehydrated can impair this process, potentially weakening your body's defenses. So, to keep your immune army strong and ready for battle, keep them hydrated. Our runner-up at number 2 is that water is the ultimate energy booster. Feeling that afternoon slump? Before you think about a sugary drink, understand this. Fatigue is one of the very first signs of dehydration. Water is vital for almost every metabolic process in your body, including converting food into energy. Without enough water, these processes slow down, leaving you feeling tired and lethargic. Drinking water consistently throughout the day provides a clean, sustained energy source that won't lead to a crash later. And finally, the number 1 hidden way water supercharges your body. It supports cellular communication. This sounds complex, but it's fundamental to everything your body does. Every single signal, from a nerve impulse telling your muscles to contract to a hormone signaling it's time to sleep, relies on an electrical charge. Water is an excellent conductor of these electrical signals. Proper hydration ensures that the communication between your cells is fast and efficient. Think of it as upgrading your body's internal internet from dial-up to fiber optic speed. Every single function, from thinking to moving to healing, works better. So there you have it, 10 incredible hidden ways that water supercharges your body. It's so much more than just a thirst quencher. It's a brain booster, a mood regulator, an energy source, and a cornerstone of a healthy diet and strong immune system. The best part? It's the most accessible natural remedy on the planet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to grab a glass of water right now. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you miss our next video on natural health and wellness. Stay healthy and stay hydrated. Hello and welcome back to our channel. We all love a good snack, right? That little pick-me-up between meals can feel like a lifesaver. But what if I told you that some of the most common snacks we reach for every day are secretly fast-tracking the aging process? It's shocking, I know. We often focus on our main meals when we think about a healthy diet, but those in-between bites matter just as much, if not more. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on 3 everyday snacks that might be adding years to your biological clock, and more importantly, we'll explore some delicious natural remedies and alternatives that will help you feel and look your best. If you're passionate about natural health and wellness, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in with our first culprit, and it's a big one: sugary granola bars and so-called health bars. I know, they seem like the perfect healthy choice. They're often marketed with images of mountains, hikers, and words like natural or whole grain. But don't let the clever packaging fool you. Many of these bars are loaded with added sugars, high fructose corn syrup, and refined carbohydrates. When we consume excess sugar, a process called glycation happens in our bodies. Think of it this way. Sugar molecules attach themselves to proteins like collagen and elastin. These are the very proteins that keep our skin firm, plump, and youthful. Glycation creates harmful molecules called advanced glycation end products, or a GE's for short, a very fitting acronym, don't you think? These AGEs make our collagen and elastin stiff and brittle, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a loss of radiance. It's not just about skin deep either. This process can affect tissues and organs throughout your body. So, that healthy bar might be giving you a quick energy spike, but it's contributing to long-term cellular aging. What's the alternative? Don't worry, I won't leave you hanging. Instead of a processed bar, try making your own trail mix. You can combine raw almonds, walnuts, which are fantastic for their omega-2-3 fatty acids, and pumpkin seeds. Add a few goji berries or unsweetened dried cherries for a touch of natural sweetness and a powerful antioxidant boost. This is a perfect example of using immune-boosting foods to create a truly healthy snack. Another great option is a small apple with a tablespoon of natural almond butter. The fiber in the apple and the healthy fats and protein in the nut butter will keep you full and satisfied, without the sugar crash and the skin-damaging side effects. This is a core principle of a truly healthy diet: choosing whole, unprocessed foods. Moving on to our second aging accelerator: processed potato chips and other savory packaged snacks. Oh, the satisfying crunch! It's so addictive. But most commercial chips are fried at very high temperatures in refined vegetable oils like corn, soy, or sunflower oil. This process not only creates unhealthy trans fats, but also generates a high level of free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that wreak havoc on our cells through oxidative stress. Imagine them as tiny little wrecking balls bouncing around inside your body, damaging DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. This cellular damage is a primary driver of aging, contributing to everything from wrinkles to more serious health concerns. On top of that, these snacks are usually packed with sodium. Excessive salt can lead to dehydration, which makes your skin look dull and can emphasize fine lines. It can also cause puffiness and fluid retention, especially around the eyes. So while that bag of chips might taste good in the moment, it's essentially a cocktail of pro-aging compounds. So, how do we get that satisfying crunch without the consequence? Let's turn to some wonderful natural remedies. One of my favorites is making baked vegetable chips. You can thinly slice sweet potatoes, zucchini, or even kale. Toss them with a tiny bit of olive oil and a pinch of sea salt and your favorite herbs, and bake them until they're crispy. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant your body converts to vitamin A, which is crucial for skin health and repair. Another fantastic option is roasted chickpeas. Just drain and rinse a can of chickpeas, pat them dry, toss with spices like paprika and cumin, and roast them until they are golden and crunchy. They're full of fiber and plant-based protein, making them a nourishing, guilt-free alternative. This is how you build a healthy diet, by finding smart, delicious swaps that support your body's wellness from the inside out. And finally, our third surprising snack that speeds up aging is flavored yogurt. Yogurt has a great reputation as a health food, and for good reason. Plain, unsweetened yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics for gut health and calcium for bone strength. However, the landscape changes dramatically when you enter the flavored yogurt aisle. Those fruit on bottom or vanilla-flavored varieties often contain as much sugar as a candy bar. As we discussed, this sugar overload triggers glycation and inflammation, both of which accelerate the aging process. Many also contain artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives that our bodies simply don't know how to process, adding to its toxic load. It's another case of clever marketing hiding a not-so-healthy reality. We think we're doing something good for our gut, but we're actually just eating a dessert masquerading as a health snack. The solution here is simple and delicious. Start with plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt or a dairy-free alternative like coconut yogurt. This is your blank canvas. Then, add your own natural flavor and nutrients. A handful of fresh berries like blueberries or raspberries will provide powerful antioxidants that fight free radical damage. A sprinkle of cinnamon can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those insulin spikes. For an extra boost, add a teaspoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds for omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. You're still getting all the probiotic benefits, but you're now in complete control of the sugar content, and you're adding incredible immune-boosting foods. This simple switch empowers you to create a snack that actively fights aging instead of contributing to it. To recap, by swapping out sugary granola bars, salty processed chips, and flavored yogurts for whole food. Alternatives like homemade trail mix baked veggie chips and plain yogurt with fresh fruit, you can make a huge impact on your health and slow down the aging process. A healthy diet isn't about deprivation. It's about making smarter, more conscious choices. These natural remedies are not only better for you, but they can be even more delicious and satisfying. It's about nourishing your body with what it truly needs to thrive. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to give some of these healthy swaps a try. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on natural health and wellness, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What is your favorite healthy snack swap? Stay healthy, stay radiant, and I'll see you in the next video.